Okay, 4.2 derivative of sine and cosine function. So in the previous class, we did the derivative of the cosine is derivative of the sine is cosine, and derivative of the cosine is negative sine. Now, based on that, we can use the different rules to do that. So here, derivative of cosine is negative sine, derivative of sine is cosine here. That's the typo, so it should be 3 here. We have 3 sine, the derivative of the sine is cosine, but you keep the constant. Anyway, so here, this example, cosine 7 pi sine x minus 3x. So derivative of the cosine is negative sine. You keep the constant 7 pi and take the derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is cosine. Negative 3x, the derivative of negative 3x is negative 3, as we have done the power rule before. So x2 minus 3 sine x, derivative of the x power 2 is power in front, power minus 1 is 2x. 3 sine x, the derivative of sine is simply cosine. You just need to keep negative 3 in front. Now the question said, find the equation of the line that tangent to this and whose slope is negative 1. So first we take a derivative of that. So derivative of the cosine is negative sine. And I have a negative here, so it's going to be sine, right? So this is y is equal to sine. This is the y prime. The y prime means slope. I want the slope to be negative 1. I know at what point it is negative 1 when the x is pi over 2 is 3 pi over 2 is when the sign is negative 1. So here is, I want to find the equation of the line. I need to, if I have x, I need to have a y, I need to have a point, right? Since the y is equal to negative cosine x, I'm gonna just, instead of the x, put 3 pi over 2. It's just instead of the x, just put that bracket 3 pi over. So cosine of the 3 pi over 2 is 0. So the point is 3 pi over 2 and 0. Also, this slope is negative 1. So you know the equation of the line is y equal to mx plus b. So I know the m, but I need to find b. That's why I need to sub the point here. So y is 0, m is negative 1, x is 3 pi over 2. Plus b is equal to 3 pi over 2. So the general equation of that is y equal to m is negative x plus 3 pi over 2. So this is the equation of that line. So for the practice, you can take the derivative of these questions. You can prove that, use the quotient, prove the derivative of the following, and also question from 5 to 19, you can use a practice.